So 11th student, in the chemistry subject, we are going to discuss about 14th lesson sum. The 14th lesson name haloalkanes and haloarenes. So here book back question, 54th questions. These are the sums, like some students difficult to attend because of they are very low in their knowledge about the chemical reaction. That's why they are not interested to attend this type of question, but it is very easy. So now how it is easy we understand by the following step. Two isomers A and B have the same molecular formula. So A, B, same molecular formula, C2H4Cl2, C2H4Cl2. From the passage of sum, after I read it, I precise the sum. So 2A and B are isomers, in their formula I write it. Then compound A react with aqueous KOH. So here compound A react with aqueous KOH. It gives to compound A react with aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH means KOH, that is potassium hydroxide taken in the water, which means aqueous. So gives compound C. So A react with aqueous KOH gives compound C. Which formula? C2H4O. Then again B react with aqueous KOH gives to D. Their molecular formula is C2H6O2. C2H6O2. Then find or identify A, B, C, D. So these are the conclusion we get it from the sum. So A, B are two isomer. A, B, two isomer, their formula given C2H4Cl2. Now we find the solution. This is our only idea. So now we find the solution. A, B are two isomers. So first we find out A. C2H4Cl2. C, you write it like that. CH3, CH. Actually CH3, CH3, eth. C2 means eth. Ethane means CH3, CH3. So we substitute 2 hydrogen replaced by chlorine. So these are the one type. So please listen. C2 means eth, which means CH3, CH3. This is the basic formula. Here 2 hydrogen are replaced by chlorine. That is chlorine, chlorine. These are compound A. So it react with aqueous KOH which are given an intermediate compound, that is CH3, CH, OH, OH. This is the intermediate compound. First you understand, this is the replacement reaction, that is chlorine replaced by OH. So again elimination of water, here 1H plus OH. So what is the balance? CH3, CH, so O. CH3, CHO. So from the clue this is C. This is C. C2H4O. You count it. 1, 2. C, H4O. So C identified. So A, C. Find next. Again from the idea, that is B react with. Okay. B also isomers of A. So now we can write CH3, CH3. Now we substitute chlorine from here, one chlorine, Cl. So it becomes CH2. Here one chlorine. equal to Cl. So we could write it CH2Cl, CH2Cl. Both are same, na? Both are same formula. So this is B. So if you are doubt, you count the number C2H4Cl2, C2H4Cl2. Both are same molecular formula, but this structure different, this structure also different. So next it react with aqueous KOH, then aqueous KOH, which means CH2OH, CH2OH. That is chlorine replaced by OH. That's it. So this is the compound D. So finally we can name it. What is the A compound? Ethylene dichloride, dichloroethane, dichloroethane. B means then B also dichloroethane or glyceraldehyde, same dichloroethane. Next C, CH3CHO. So CH3CHO means acetaldehyde.